Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a simple home style yam fry. This is the yam which I brought from the market. Now we have to wash it and clean it thoroughly. There will be a lot of mud sticking on it. Clean it thoroughly and then we'll peel this outer layer and then chop it into pieces. See, again we have rinsed it thoroughly 2 or 3 times so that there is no mud in it. Now in a kadai I am taking some coconut oil. You can use any cooking oil, but coconut oil adds a good flavor to this. So you can take about a tablespoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, 2 or 3 dry red chillies, a little bit of hing, some curry leaves. Stir them till the dal is getting a golden brown color. Now add this chopped yam to it. Add some turmeric powder, salt to taste. I am adding half a cup of water just to cook it in this. Cover it and cook till the yam is done. After about 7 or 8 minutes, just have a look. See, most of the water has been absorbed and the vegetable is also well cooked. Just stir it for half a minute more till all the water has been absorbed. See, it's perfectly done now, no water at all. Finally, I am just adding about 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut to it and mix it well. So your healthy and tasty home style simple yam stir fry or Senaikzhangu Poriyal is ready. This vegetable can be prepared in many ways. Today I made a dry sabji. You can make a kootu, that is a gravy kind also. Some other time I will show you that too. So this can be served as a good side dish both with rice as well as with chapati. This vegetable is believed to be very good for health. It's good for your heart, and I remember my mother-in-law very often saying that it is very good for the stomach, especially for children with worms and all that, and even for adults too. It's good to include this yam, also known as Suran in Hindi or Senai in Tamil. So try to include it. Of course, in marriages and other special occasions, they use a lot of oil and deep fry too. That is tasty, I agree. But here again we have made it in a simple and healthy way using just 1 spoon of oil. Just one more tip. If you are like me, for some people what happens when we touch the yam and wash it or chop it, we have some allergy and lot of small rashes or itching starts. So in that case, what I do, I ask uncle to help me out in washing and rinsing thoroughly, so I don't handle it in water especially. And when you are chopping it also, you can use gloves and then chop the vegetable if you are alone at home. Of course, you might then ask me, then Amma, why are you eating it? The good news is when I eat it, I am totally okay, there is no problem. It's only I have this allergy when I chop it. So for those of you who are beginners and who also face this problem, what I would advise is don't touch it along with water. When it is dry, it's fine, or get some help in chopping and rinsing it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.